Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my first video, so without wasting much time, let's start the video. Do you also want to make thumbnail like this and this? Then you're on the right video. This video is for the tutorial of how to create aesthetic thumbnails with only 2 apps. First, we'll go to Inshot and open the Photos section because we need to edit our photos. Then, we'll select a white background and choose the photos we need. We'll remove the background from the photos and add a lining, like the dotted one I'm using here. We'll adjust it according to our preference. Next, we'll edit the main photos. I'm using 2 or 3 photos here, and add a white background to them. Finally, we'll save the edited photos in pink color. Here it is. After adjusting the 3 photos, we'll add another photo here. Since I've taken a food photo, we'll drop it in and remove the background. We'll also add a lining effect to the teddy bear photo and do the same for the food and headphones photos. Once done, we'll save the edited photos. Next, we'll open Picsart and use the shape mark feature to create a shape. We'll adjust the brightness and lighting according to our preference, keeping the important elements in the center. Then, we'll search for a tape sticker to add text on top. We'll select a tape sticker and choose a font, in this case, black. We'll adjust the text and customize it to our liking, changing the handwriting style and more. Our thumbnail will be ready in just a few minutes, all thanks to these 2 apps.